Yep, people. So today in DRV News, Vibes Cartel, I look for the new artist them. Governor, I make the youth them know this. Malie Donn I make you know say here what? Him not eat the box. And who will the Grammy go to?
Dancehall reggae vibes. Keep it locked.
I want to sign a new generation of artists.
Good.
And get them distribution, get them record deals in North America, in England, which you know are Jamaica biggest market.
Yes.
And you know the Caribbean, big up the Caribbean.
Yep, people, you know it's your boy Grizzly Bear. I'm there represent for DRV. You don't know in DRV News, the hottest artist right now, Vibes Cartel. You know what I mean? He's saying he wants to sign new generation artists. Zin, all our new generation artists with a new sound. And get them distribution and record deals in North America and England. You see me and say, you know, sir, in a them place the market they big for dancehall. You see me and say North American people them love dancehall to a level where you know from them time the Elephant Man, Beanie Man. You see me and say and right now in England dancehall culture, them man take over the whole diaspora. You see me? And also shouting out to the Caribbean. You don't know. Kartel nah do it in a normal way, you see me? So Kartel also met with national superstar Gucci Mane. You know what I mean? I want to say super international star. You know who me I talk about. Zin? And when you see them link up your go on, you know say music in the making. So you can listen for something. You know? I don't know the world boss now go just make Gucci Mane and just did it like that. Cause I have to get a Jamaican name. So right now in Jamaica are the G-Man that. You see me? When I say Gucci Mane, just know say Kartel refix him name and a G-Man. You see me? Yeah, the artist who do the mostest. You hear me talk?
Tell the youth them to get up and go get it and get home. You hear that? Real hustler. Hustle them way all out of hell, my friend. You hear that? So nobody talk about wait till you reach a foreign for rich. That's saying you're a cruff in your country. When you reach a foreign, the only thing you're going to be on foreign cruff, my friend. The only thing that you're going to be. That's the ambition. Can't teach nobody that.
So, yeah, people, this is what Govanna have to tell the youth them. Not just young artists, but the youths, both girl and boy. You see me and say? You know what I mean? So, ambition and something where you can't teach nobody. You see me? You have to ambitious for yourself. You have to see it and want it. You know what I mean? You have to have the passion and the zeal. You see me? If you have a dream, you're going to want to fulfill that dream there. So, Governor make you know, say, and I make the youth them know, say, don't tell yourself, say, yeah, wait until you reach a foreign for rich. You know what I mean? Yeah, start do something now. Get up and go get it now. You see me and say? Because that sit down and wait pan is a false hope. You know what I mean? That will build up anxiety. You see me and say? If you're over, so me and talk about, you will sit down and I say, all right then, I go a foreign, I go reach a foreign. 2-3 years pass, you still not reach a foreign. How your mental state stay? You know what I mean? Next 2 years from that, you still not reach a foreign. How your mental state stay? You see me and say? Yeah, because you have a lot of people play it off like them alright, but them not alright. You see me and say? Yeah, them look alright, but inside, nothing not going good. You know what I mean? Because them live in a delusion and tell themselves, say, you know? So, Governor make you know straight youths. You know what I mean? Ambition and something where you can't teach nobody. So, if you have some friend when are ambitious, you make moves and them a move like say Ray and you know what I mean? And them a put them energy in some other things. Shake them friendly. You see me and say them people are not good for par with and good for move around. So, Governor, I make you know say ambition, you can't teach that to nobody.
Actually, I'm here with
Malie Donn.
Nice to meet you, my boy.
But,
Describe your type from the bottom to the top. Like, describe your type in the female.
oh, I like slim thick girl. I like neat girl. Look a bit of breast. Cock up ass, you know.
You said what?
Little bit of breast,
Yeah.
you know. Not a big gigantic
You don't
breast.
like the big juggers.
Mm-mm.
All right.
So, yeah, people them catch Malie Donn pan him too. Zin, And you know them youth, they were there in the street, you have them phone and, almost some YouTube vlog and TikTok youth, them, you see me and say. So them catch Malie Donn pan him to and ask him 2 questions. So them ask him for describe the type of females that he's attracted to, and him make the individual know, say, listen, me attracted to slim thick, you see me and say, so the individual is saying, describe. So the artist, the individual knows, say, listen, physically attractive, up top right, you know what I mean? Round up, round the say, you see me and say, bumper to bumper, you see it. So he goes to ask the artist if he eat the box. Who know what the box is? You see me and say? You know what I mean? But the artist pick up quick and fast and make him know. Say, listen, as a yard man, the yard man not got the box eating. You see me and say, we not do that box eating something there. And, enough ones are lose them here from what here, but him, a whole female. And he must say, him talk for himself, him vouch for himself, because he can't vouch for friends and, you see me and say, individuals, Yeah. So, alright, they say there with Malie Donn. Malie Donn I make a note, trait. Another one, you don't know DJ Khaled on the move. You know we the best, them man in a normal when the man they move around the world, you see me? So him link up with the Marleys. So the Marley them have them show over there. Yeah, the Marley show sell off and a normal, event that is curated by the organizers. You see me? It was well received. So DJ Khaled have to link up. And he also linked up with Steve Marley. And the make you know say Stephen a day one. You know what I mean? Real OG. You know what I mean? From them time there till now. Then and him now switch up the thing. So him there have to link up the artist before him attend the show. So you don't know the most them pull up so the artist, you know what I mean? So him link up. And as I said, the show was a success. And Julian did Junior Gang, Zilla did Ziggy did Romali did And Buju pass you too. You see me and say, yeah man, hold a vibration with the youth them and give them a vibration. Him couldn't left out the food. DJ Khaled couldn't forward to Jamaica and left out the food. So a jerk chicken and rice and peas. And that's something they go. So DJ Khaled, we the best. Yeah, people, it there, It there. It's your boy Crystal Beer, and if it's the first you're hearing this voice, a subscription will be nice to the channel. It would be beer-tastic. You hear me talk? Yeah. And in the comments, I want to have a dialogue with you. Communicate, chat with me, make me know what I want. Because I just say it there. So, who would you like to see win the Grammy for the best reggae album? Who you think would be the winner of the best reggae album? Yeah, in our Grammys. Cause I nominees them that Those are the nominees, the ones who line up to get the Grammy. Yeah? So me not say nothing. Cause whole heap of all artists good, all album standing. All album standing. So let me know who you think is gonna win.